It is a gaming laptop, pero hindi siya yung wow, mukhang gaming laptop. Yung iba niyang kalaban naka-battle pass, ang gaganda ng mga skins. Ito yung default, yung pa level 1 skin na pag naglaro ka ng game. Ngayon lang ako nag-shoot ng ano. At pros, ano, cons pa. Wala namang pangit, pero wala rin maganda. Kayo magiging fishy kayo Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Tito Dustin. Last video natin, we talk about the LOQ Essential. Now, pag-uusapan naman natin itong bagong Acer Nitro. Now, we all know na dati na may Acer Nitro, but every year, medyo nagbabago kasi ang itsura ng Acer Nitro. This is the current Acer Nitro that we have right now, and this is running an RTX 5050. That's why this is the latest Acer Nitro. But the thing is, kinda tumataas na ang mga presyo ng mga Acer Nitro. And to be exact, mas mahal pa to compared dun sa LOQ Essential na recently ni-vlog natin. Kahit mataas yung presyo niya, ang dami pa rin bumibili nito. Hindi lang dito sa Laptop Factory, even sa mga ibang stores. Now, tignan natin kung ano yung maganda at pangit dito sa bagong Acer Nitro. Before we start, ito nga pala yung inclusions ng Acer Nitro na ito. It comes with two boxes, okay? So, yung outer box niya and then yung inner box niya may Nitro logo dyan. And then, once you open, same as others, meron siyang printed materials and meron din charger. Okay naman yung charger niya kasi pa-L. So, pag sinaksak, di masyadong eyesore sa lamesa yung charger niya. And of course, as you can see there on the video, yan yung kanyang bag. As you can see there on the screen, ito yung mga current Acer Nitro na available sa atin. It comes with 3 variants and ang isa sa pinakamura natin is that 4050, mga nasa less than ng 50,000. Pero yung mga ibang Acer Nitro natin, which is the Core 5 or the i5, mga nasa price point na ng around 60,000. And now, ang kinuha natin yung top tier nila. Because halos lahat naman ng Acer Nitro, medyo pare-parehas naman ang itsura, nagkakaiba lang ng specifications. Pag-usapan natin yung appearance nito. So, it's color black from everything sa kanyang top, even dito sa body, and even dito sa ilalim. And actually, dito nga sa ilalim, makikita nyo na yung kanyang fans. Nakikita ko dito, yes, it comes with 2 fans, pero magkatabi yung fan nila. Ang mga dating Acer Nitro, ganun din. Magkatabi yung dalawang fan. Or na sana dapat yung fans niya ay mas maganda or mas optimize sana kung magkabilang side. Okay, but you know, Acer are still doing that, or Nitro is still doing that, na magkatabi yung dalawang fan. So, may kita nyo dito sa kanyang likod, no? The Nitro logo is medyo nagbago na. May pagka talagang gaming yung letter N niya, and makikita nyo, meron siya mga line accents dito na may pagka blue and red. Talagang may kita nyo talaga na this is a gaming laptop. So, it is a 15.6 inch and it is backlit keyboard siya. Tignan natin mamaya kung customizable. But let's proceed first on the ports. On this side, we have here the Type-C, dalawang USB-A, and then the HDMI, Ethernet port, and the power socket. Ngayon, yung power socket niya ay hindi katulad ng iba na Type-C. Ito ay yung normal na barrel na power socket. On the other side, we have here the Kensington lock, another exhaust on this side, and then USB Type-A, audio combo jack, and a light indicator if it is on or it is charging. The laptop is kind of heavy, and because it is exactly 2 kilogram. Can I open this in one finger? You can open it using only one finger. And this is roughly around mga 170 degrees. And napansin ko, no, every time that you're gonna open this laptop, katulad ng mga Swift, once na inopen mo siya ng todo, umaangat na yung ilalim niya. Sabi ni Carl, it's the Ergolift technology. So, syempre, yung Ergolift na yun nakakatulong para mas magpalamig ng laptop mo. Okay, about the dimension. For the width, that's 14.1 inch. For the depth, that is 9.5 inch. And for the height, that's exactly 1 inch. So, isa lang napansin ko dito sa Acer Nitro na ito. Yung pagka-Acer Nitro niya, katulad ng mga past models, is parang hindi nagiging standout yung pagiging gaming laptop niya. Hindi katulad dati ng mga Acer Nitro. Well, we know the maganda ang design ng Acer Predator, pero pagdating sa Nitro, parang is just, you know, a stealth block. Kasi, ang counterpart nito is yung Asus TUF. And pag tinignan mo yung Asus TUF, yung kanyang cover, yung kanyang ilalim, may kita mo na talagang may pagka-metal, may pagka-military grade yung itsura. Military gaming ang itsura. Ganon din sa LOQ. Even yung Victus, compare dito sa Nitro na ito, it is a gaming laptop, pero hindi siya yung wow, mukhang gaming laptop. Yung iba niyang kalaban naka-battle pass, ang gaganda ng mga skins. Ito yung default, yung pa level 1 skin na pag naglaro ka ng game. Kuha ka naman, wala ka bang battle pass? Bili kita. So, the model of the laptop that I have right now is ANV 15-52-585U. So, itong hawak natin ngayon is the Core 5 series. This is Core 5 210H with a total cores of 8. It comes with 4 P-cores and 4 efficient cores. The memory that we have here is 16 gig. So, medyo busog na rin tayo sa memory. Because napapansin ko right now, most of our customers binibili na 16 gig na memory rather than 8 gig. By default, yes, okay pa rin naman ang 8 gig. Grabe, dati 4 gig lang na memory na laptop, sapat na sa atin. Ngayon, nagkukulang na tayo sa 8 gig. So, the storage of this Nitro that we have right now is a 512 SSD. So, this laptop is running an RTX 5050. That's already an 8 gig dedicated. Kasi, yung 4050, 6 gig, and yung 3050 is 4 gig. So, malaking bagay yung 5050. Baka kaya yun din yung reason kaya medyo mas mahal siya. But however, the max TDP of this is 85 watts. And ang maganda dito sa Nitro na ito, it comes with the Microsoft Office Lifetime. And actually, aside doon sa mga sinabi ko, currently may promo ata ngayon ang Acer. If you're watching this video right now, they have this back to school promo. Comes with an e-gift voucher. So makita nyo dyan sa video kung magkano yon. Some of the promo minsan ine-extend nila yung warranty. But if you purchase it during the back to school promo, they could hindi ko sinabing they will. They could extend the warranty up to 3 years. That is a promotional. Of course, yung promo na yan, hindi naman na manggagaling kay Laptop Factory, manggagaling siya kay Acer. We'll send you the mechanics, i-comment namin if you want to purchase, kasi sayang yung promo ni Acer ngayon na naka-back to school promo. This laptop also comes with this Nitro Sense. Dito, actually, pwede mong i-configure yung fan mo kung gusto mong palakasin, kung gusto mong pahinain yung fan. Meron siyang balance, meron eco, meron din turbo mode. Dito sa Nitro Sense, may kita nyo dito yung CPU, GPU temperature, and yung usage. Yung camera nitong Acer Nitro is hindi maganda. If I'm gonna rate it, it's just like 4 out of 10. But of course, hindi naman tayo nag-expect na magandang camera quality coming from Acer Nitro. If you want a good camera quality, dyan papasok si Acer Predator or si Acer Swift. And what you're hearing is also the audio quality coming from this Acer Nitro V15. Check natin yung sounds ng yung bass niya parang may echo. If I'll gonna rate the sounds, it's kinda just 7 out of 10. Parang sa kuweba yung bass, oh. About the sound quality, syempre, mas maganda naman siya compared sa mga consumer laptops. Pero hindi ganun ka sobrang ganda ng sounds. Pero ayun nga, yung bass niya parang may parang nag-e-echo. I'm not sure if that's something to be wow on. So now we're trying FF7 Rebirth, and currently we are on medium settings, but some of them makita nyo it's on high. Frame rate is 120 FPS. So of course the VSync is off. This is the actual gameplay. Kahit max 120 FPS tayo, ang nakukuha lang natin dito is naglalaro ng around 100. For the GPU and CPU is just playing around 70 Celsius, which is really not bad. And of course, we also tried Expedition 33, one of the AAA games. It is also a same settings na naka-medium with a VSync off. But however, dito sa ating Expedition 33, the FPS is just running around mga nasa around 50 below. But I'm pretty sure that we can actually optimize it because makita nyo yung GPU temperature nito is nasa around 60 to 65 degrees lang. Alright, so this is what's underneath the chassis of this Acer Nitro V15. So yung dalawang fan ay narito. Hindi ko lang maintindihan kasi dati ang mga Acer Nitro, isang fan dito, isang fan dito. Dati pinagdikit nila. Tapos, last 2 years, nakahiwalay. Ngayon, this model, pinagdikit ulit nila. We have here the memory. This is currently on 16 gig. Ang maganda dito, hindi siya 8.8 kasi mahirap kasi mag-upgrade pag dalawang slot na yung occupied eh. So ito, may free slot ka pa. Ang pinaka-ideal na ikabit dito, of course, is is another 16 gig. We have here the SSD. This is the M.2, yung standard na size. And it is the 512 SSD. Napansin ko lang, wala na ako nakita dito extra slot para magdagdag ng SSD. This is the Wi-Fi card, which is the Wi-Fi 6 already. The battery is here. This is the GPU, CPU, at ito ang tanso. Mahal yan pag binenta. This laptop comes with a 1-week replacement from Laptop Factory. Anything happen, yung buttons or ports hindi gumana, may sira, within a week, papalitan natin yan. But after like 2 or 3 months, pag nasira yung laptop, wag naman sana. This laptop comes with a 2 years Acer warranty. At ang maganda naman sa Acer, marami silang service center nationwide. And ang pinakamalaki Acer service center nila ay nasa Paco, Manila. Let's proceed with the pros and the cons of this Acer Nitro. Plastic. So, pros and cons on this Acer Nitro V15. Let's start with the cons. Yung kanyang appearance or pagiging aesthetic niya bilang gaming laptop, it's not really standing out as a gaming laptop. Hindi katulad ng TUF or LOQ na talagang may kita nyo na, wow, ang ganda na yung tsura nito eh. But this one is, yun na yun. And isa sa mga cons na napansin ko dito, yung kanyang fan. Bumabalik ulit sila. Yung dalawang fan ay nasa isang side. So, I don't really know the complete reason kung bakit nila ginawa yun. But if you do have any ideas about that, please comment down below. You could actually also enlighten me na bakit dalawang fan sa isang side wherein na pwede naman magkabilaan para mas ma-optimize cooling. Camera quality, of course, hindi ganun kagandahan, but we don't really expect too much maganda camera quality sa mga budget gaming laptop. Probably isa sa mga cons na ito, the current price that we're selling right now, this one is around mga nasa 60 to 65,000. Wherein ang SRP kasi nito mga nasa 70 to 75. So you're still saving around 10,000 to us. Pero, yung presyo na yon na around 60 to 65,000 na naka RTX 5050, Core 5, 16 gig, is it sound reasonable? Well, tumataas na rin ang mga presyo ng mga laptops ngayon. And as you can see on the previous video, yung LOQ Essential na ni-vlog natin na naka 4050, hindi nga siya umabot ng 50,000. But if in case that you're looking for a budget Acer Nitro, meron din naman tayo, mga nasa below 50,000. Yung kanina natin pinakita dun sa screen. About the pros naman of this Acer Nitro, it's an Acer Nitro but doesn't really have a wow effect. It meets the standard. It passed the standard. Yes, it is an Acer Nitro. Parang sakto naman sa kanyang presyo. But I'm not really seeing so much a wow factor on this laptop. Now, don't get me wrong ha. Hindi ko sinasabing pangit ang Acer Nitro. And to be honest, Acer is the top 1 selling brand here in the Philippines. But of course, ibang usapan na pag gaming. But ayun, going back, about the pros, probably comes with the Microsoft Office. Hindi pro natin eh. Well, isa pa sa mga pros is, yeah, upgradable yung memory. But, you know, kasi naman yung mga ibang gaming laptops din naman upgradable eh. So, wala naman masyadong cons and wala akong masyadong nakikitang pro. Nandun siya sa level ng meh. Kasi di ba may mga sinushoot tayo na wow, ang ganda ng laptop na to, but behind that magandang laptop, may pangit. O kaya naman, sobrang pangit naman ng laptop na to, pero sobrang mura. Pero eto, parang nandun siya sa yun na yun. Your comments are really appreciated, no? Baka kasi I'm just missing a lot of dots on here, but parang hindi lang ako na-excite ngayon dito sa Acer Nitro. I'm sorry, baka may mga Acer fans tayo na ano, but you know, I love you all. I love all the laptops. I'm just being transparent here sa Laptop Factory. Pag may maganda, sasabihin natin. Kung may pangit, sasabihin natin. So, ayun. I think nakatulong tong video na to. You know, a like and a subscribe on the page is much appreciated. Then again, this is Tito Dustin. On our next video, baka Asus stuff naman. Have a good day. Bye-bye.